Hi my friends, Ian again, and as promised, I want to show you how I use traffic exchanges. Okay, now the idea behind a traffic exchange, let me just go in there now. I'll go to this one, I'm using as an example. Okay, what we do, we click on surf once we're in the members area. So there we have surf. Okay, and this is what we call surfing. So here is the main ad. There are banner ads as well, and if you click those, you do get some credits as well, I believe, in this one. So, but this is the main site. So the person that owns this is Ron Hoofine, is it? Whatever his name is. And he wants you to look at this. Now, once this timer is set to go, it means that you've earned credits or half a credit or a credit, or whatever it is set to put so that you can put them towards the websites that you want people like Ron to see. If you understand what I'm saying. So you look at somebody else's sites and they look at yours. And all you do basically in these is you look for the correct symbol, which is lion. So we scroll along and we click on that and then it starts scrolling again. Okay. So here we have 1 credit. So I've earned 1 credit. Now this program, Jungle Clicks Pro, is in the list on our under advertising. Okay, I'll just show you. When you come to advertising, you click on recommended sites. Jungle Clicks Pro is there. So that's this one. Okay, so we'll do it one more. Okay, so you're earning credits by looking at websites, and then you can allot those credits to the websites that you want these same people, like Vern, he will look at yours. Now that's fair. Okay. Now again, you can upgrade in this, and you will get some credits. Buy some credits. You'll get them every month. I believe it is in this particular one. Okay. And then you can allot them to your website so that you don't have to serve so much. But the whole idea is you view somebody's websites and they view yours. And this is what we call eyeballs on the site. Okay. Now, what you don't want to join is any that are set for auto surfing. Now, what does that mean? It means the admin can, and they can also choose people to go to their account and surf, and it does it all automatic, and they can go away, they can go down to the mall shopping, and they can do whatever they want, vacuum the house out, so on and so forth, and it auto surfs, so nobody is looking at your websites. It's just automatic, and it's just using up all your hard-earned bought or your hard-earned surfed credits. So never become a member of those. Okay, now we're going to go to a relatively brand new one. We're going to click on this. It's the same sort of script, this one. Okay, and again, let's just do this. And here we have it. We've got to click the wheel. This is Steve Smith. He's the owner of it. A good friend of mine in Ireland. And we've got to click on the flag. So you can see I've got 1 credit for looking at this website. So please do have a look at the website. And if something of interest is in there, go join it. Go and find out a little bit more about it. If you're looking for more, oh my life, that's a bit naughty. But there you go. Let's get off that quick. Click the button below to see why. I'm not going to click that. I'm not going to click that. I'm sorry. This is a good member over at Buildabizonline, Jeffrey. I've been emailing him today. So that's how they work. Okay, I'm going to go to one more. I'm going to go to one that I am building. It's not quite ready yet, but the surfing is similar, but this is what we call easy surf. So there are no symbols to look for, but you've still got to wait. And it says you will earn 5 credits. Okay. And then all you do is click that one. But let's show you how to tab surf now. So what happens is, and I'm going to show you my tab. I'm going to drag this up here. Okay, so that's Jungle Clicks Pro. And I've come to the, I've started surfing. Yeah. This is Fast and Furious. And I've started surfing. And this is the Buildabizonline. And I've started surfing. So what we do is we click on that. And we'll click the correct symbol. You've got to click the correct symbol. Then you go to the next one. And then you go to the next one. Now you're not looking so much. I don't know why a website didn't turn up there, but like I say, I'm still working on this one. You're still looking. I've got some loud music playing on my ears then. Sorry guys, the interruption. This is how you do it, you see. That's called tab surfing. Now, did you know there's a quicker way to do that? So what I'm going to do also, I'm going to add a video. I might tag it onto the end of this video, but I'll add a video that shows you how to use a gizmo that you download onto your PC. I call it a little widget that you can turn on and off, and it helps you to do this tab surfing a lot faster. Now what I'm going to do also, I'm going to come over here. There's no website showing, so there's something not quite right here, so I'll have to have a look at that. But I'm going to go down to the members area. Let me move this down again. And we're going to go to members area, click on that. And then we're going to go to add surfing sites. So we're going to click on that. So I'm going to show you how I add sites on here. Okay. In fact, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over to Fast and Furious because I have got to do that anyway. So you go back to home on this one. I know I've got to do this one. I'm still working on that other website. Okay, so what we do, we click on ads and then we click on sites. I believe it is. Okay, and you can see what I've done. Look, I have added Buildabizonline 4 times. Okay, now there's no credits on there at the minute, and I have got that many credits. So what I'm going to do, evenly distribute 5, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to click on that. Let's see if it's done that for me. Has it done that for me? Maybe not. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to have a look at Stevie Boy about that. But this is where you add your sites like this. So you give it a name and then you put the affiliate URL in there. Tell you what, let me just add 1,000. Oops. 1,000. Did he do it? Did it add them? Views received, view assigned. Anyway, let's do it anyway. I'll show you how to do it manually. It's getting warmer and warmer, guys. So I'm going to click assign, okay? So there we have it. We've got some credits on there. Okay. So the views assigned are these. Okay, so there we have it. Yes, it did add it before. Okay, so the people that are surfing now over at Fast and Furious will be seeing, and I don't know what that's all about, but there you go. That's the thing to look out for then, guy. trck.me, which is a shortener, has been accused of phishing. Now, I would ignore that one because some people are just nasty and they go and report things. It's malware and things like that that I don't like. So, okay, so what's happening now? Then I've just assigned them credits, and people like Roland, when he's surfing next time, he'll probably come across my website. Now I know that Roland, he is a Buildabizonline member, so he won't want to join Buildabizonline again. But you get the point. Okay, you are looking at one website, and they are going to in turn look at your website, and that's fair. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and get next a video to show you how to use viral mailers. Okay, there's no surfing involved. It's something totally different. So I'm going to try and get a video from Diane, a lovely lady over in the US, and we'll see what she comes up with and teaches you about how to add your websites to viral mailers. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye for now.